Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. I am very happy that you are here today. In today's lesson, we are going to practice English listening for beginners. This lesson is simple, slow, and easy to understand. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with me. And before we begin, I have a small challenge for you. At the end of this lesson, there will be a short vocabulary quiz. The quiz will help you check how many new words you learned today. So listen carefully and try to remember the words and sentences you hear. Let's see how much you can learn by the end of this lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is David. I am 25 years old. I live in a small city. My life is simple and peaceful. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily life. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes and look at the clock. Then, I slowly get out of bed. Sometimes, I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel energetic. But every day, I try to start my morning with a smile. After I get out of bed, I make my bed. This is a small habit, but it is a very good habit. A clean room helps me feel organized and ready for the day. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. The warm water helps me wake up and feel fresh. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal. It gives me energy for the day. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. I also drink tea or coffee. While I eat breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. I ask myself, what do I want to do today? What do I need to finish today? Planning helps me stay focused. Before we continue, I want to say something to you. If you are a beginner, if you are starting English from zero, please don't worry. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The most important thing is to keep learning every day. And if you want to improve your English step by step, stay with us. At English Flow Podcast, we create simple lessons to help you learn naturally. We truly appreciate every listener who spends time learning with us. Your learning journey is important to us. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need consistent practice. So keep listening, keep learning, and let's continue together. And my friend, if today's lesson helps you learn even one new word, or if it gives you a little more confidence in English, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing to English Flow Podcast. It may seem like a small action, but it helps us create more lessons for learners like you. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Now, let's continue our lesson. Wonderful work. You stayed with me until the end of the lesson. I am proud of you. And now, it's time for our vocabulary quiz. Question number 1. What does habit mean? A. A regular action. B. A type of food. C. A place. Pause. The correct answer is A. A regular action. Excellent. Question number 2. What does fresh mean? A. Tired. B. Clean and pleasant. C. Busy. Pause. Correct answer is B. Clean and pleasant. Very good. Question number 3. What meal gives us energy in the morning? A. Dinner. B. Lunch. C. Breakfast. Pause. The correct answer is C. Breakfast. Fantastic. You did a great job today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing English every day. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. I will see you again in the next lesson. Until then, take care and keep learning. Goodbye, my friend.